What's up guys? Welcome back to the Sikky YouTube channel. This is Matthew here. Today I just want to tell you a little bit about how our shift rod offsets work on our newer shifters here. So what I have here is our new TR6060 4-inch relocation shifter. All of our relocation shifters by default relocate where your shift rod would come up so that you can really get it into the perfect spot for any swap that you're doing. If you need to further relocate where your shift rod comes up, we also make offsets for our newer shifters that come in 1 inches, 2 inches, or 3 inches. The way that our newer shifters are designed, all of them come with an octagonally shaped piece here that you can see. If you take a look, it's in the shape of an octagon. The inserts for our offsets are also in the shape of an octagon so that you can fit it onto your shifter and it fits perfectly like so. It allows you to have 8 different positions all the way around. You have your 12 o'clock, you have your 3 o'clock, you have your 6 o'clock positions. And then with these offsets, you can also flip them over. It gives you another 8 positions, which are in between the other 8 positions. So you have a total of 16 positions that you can put your offsets in that go 360 degrees all the way around where your shift rod is. For example, after you attach an offset, really from there, it's totally up to you what style or what type of shift rod you're looking for. So we have everything from 3-inch M10 by 1.25 shift rods that you can put in, and you can make it like a very short shift rod. But then we also have, this one here is a 2-bolt adapter piece, and it's in the shape of an octagon down here, so you can fit this right into your shift rod here. And then this 2-bolt adapter piece is attached to a bigger shift rod. So really the variability from there, I mean, you can really customize it to whatever, however you need. So that's how that works. So if you've got one of our relocation shifters and you don't need an offset, we do make a piece that is just a clamp that you would fit over the top portion of your shifter. And then from there, you can insert any shift rod that you need. Or you can insert a 2-bolt adapter, which is this piece right here, and you can adapt your own shift rod. So that's about it for our shift rod offsets. If you guys have any questions about what you've seen here today, feel free to reach out to us. Either shoot us an email to sales@sikky.com or you can just give us a call. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.